Hi guys, today we're going to be making homemade fidgets. And I'm playing with a real fidget right now, which is a wacky track. And I just broke a little piece of the wacky track off. And here is this huge wacky track necklace. Hey, mine. Oh, mine. Give it back. Okay. So I'm going to make an L out of this. I just made a L.
And we're going to start. So what we're going to...
Elena's going to go get all the...
Wait, no, you're going to go get all the supplies, and I'm going to tell them what it is, and we're going to both get the supplies. So what we're going to need for this first DIY fidget is a plastic bag.
A plastic bag, okay. I'll be right back.
So once he gets that, we'll tell the rest.
I'm back! Here's this plastic bag!
The next thing we're going to need is scissors.
Scissors? You
Yeah.
go get them!
Okay.
You get those scissors!
I got scissors.
And then we will be able to make our fidget now!
No, we won't. We need one more thing. We need a rubber band.
A rubber band!
Or a hair tie. Whichever one works.
Alright, I know what one is.
Okay, now we can make our first DIY fidget. Do you want to make your own? And we both get to keep them?
No.
Okay, let's start.
What are you making?
Squishy.
Squishy, okay.
So first we're going to need to cut
Where did
the
the
back.
rest of the thing go? Oh, here it is.
Wait,
There was just two cars passing each other.
hold the iPad so I can show them. Wait, hold it. We're going to need to start cutting the You're blocking the camera. We're going to need to cut the baggie. There, it's cut.
How long have fidgets been around for?
Since 2013. That's at least what I know. Okay, then what you're going to need to do is get some soap.
What kind of soap?
Regular, it doesn't matter.
Hand soap?
Yep, that can do.
Or dish soap?
Yeah, dish soap can work too.
How much do you need?
A little.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're going to need to pour in some. There, that's all I need.
You made a bottle of... Ah! A bubble just appeared.
And then I'm going to need to fill it with some water.
All right. I'll go interact the people on camera. Da 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 da. Hi. I'm still playing with my wacky track here.
Okay, guys, we got it all figured out. Now we got to tie it really good. It's green. Ugh. Squishy won't tie.
What if I named you the assistant?
I'm not the assistant. You are.
I'm not the assistant. You are.
So your squishy is finished.
So your squishy is finished.
You test it.
Okay.
What do you rate it? It might be a little hard, but
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We got a 10 out of 10. Now for our next fidget.
Wacky tricks!
No.
Just kidding.
We don't know how. So if you know how, send us a link.
Send us a link.
So do you have foam paper?
No.
Oh,
Why?
because we could have made a puppet.
Do you?
No. Let's think. We're thinking of some fidgets. How about we make a part 2?
What's a part 2?
Another side of the video. So we'll see you in part 2.